OneNote is an incredibly amazing and totally underused member of the Microsoft Office family. And if you're not using OneNote and it's on your computer, I want to commend it to you because I'm a major OneNote user. Now, in 2013, when you're working with SharePoint, your OneNote notebook that gets created is automatically created in your SkyDrive. It doesn't matter if you're using Office 365 or if you're using Office 2013 installed on your computer. If you have a SkyDrive, and almost every single one of us does by the time we're done installing Office, that's where OneNote is going to live. So here's my OneNote notebook, and I have a folder, a section that I use to put diagrams in. Every diagram on its own page. I have a small essay section. This is clearly not my OneNote notebook, which is huge. This is a sample that I'm showing you. But this actually lives in SharePoint in my SkyDrive section. If I go to Settings, here it is in SkyDrive. I can actually see if this is synchronized. And it says we should sync automatically whenever there are changes. And by the way, if you're offline, it knows to wait. Or to sync manually, I actually kind of like to have it sync on its own without me, but I can sync when I want to, and it's syncing to my SkyDrive. If I wish, I can invite other people here by clicking Share, and it's connecting to the server, and I'm sharing again out of my SkyDrive. So I can add people here, and they will connect to my SkyDrive in the public area to be able to work with this notebook. So when I go back to my SharePoint site, I have access through my SkyDrive back to this notebook by clicking SkyDrive and opening my SkyDrive so I can see it. Additionally, we have the ability to go find this on our Windows desktop. So here I am in Windows 8, and here's my SkyDrive. And right there, because I was in this folder a bit ago, here's my notebook. Once again, I can open it up. Here's my shared notebook, accessible through my SkyDrive with SharePoint, shareable with anyone else with my SkyDrive, and because it lives in my SkyDrive rather than on my computer, two big wins for users like you and me in 2013. One is it's not taking up space on my local drive. The second is my SkyDrive notebook is accessible to me on every device I use that can access my SkyDrive, so I can get there from my tablet, as well as from my laptop, as well as from a desktop in a public library. So easy to work on and access anywhere for me, even if I don't have my laptop with me. I'm loving how OneNote works with SharePoint and my SkyDrive.